Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Okay, Citrus Twists. This is their kit for this month, and it already feels. Oh, so it's not. It's not the little mesh bags. This is an actual envelope. Ooh, look at that. Fancy. Oh, looking at this Citrus Twist Life Craft FCT. Oh, that's cute. I kind of like these a little bit more than the mesh bags. These are cute, but I love the mesh bags too, but these are awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. Cool. Okay. So let's see what we get. We get, what is this kit? Possibilities. She's a dreamer, doer, thinker. She's everywhere. So this one is, it doesn't say a name, but that's the chipboard. This is the alphabet. You usually get a 3x4. I love that. That's a good one. That's Bus, by the way. If you didn't watch the other video, it's Bus, the Bulldog, who is sleeping. I'm going to go up a little higher. I like these. Nope. Fave, laugh. Oh, I love that. Love that. That's awesome. Oh, look at this one. I love getting puffy stuff. Well, these are foam, but I still like thick, puffy stuff. So, love that. Okay, and then you get the Ephemera. The Ephemera, which I love. Let's see. Oh, it says chill. I like those little token things. It's a pin mark on my finger. Oh, I love that. Fun. Okay, and then you get the 3x4 pocket scrapbooking cards. Oh, now we have the scroll. Story worth telling. They're double-sided, or you can color that if you wanted. The colors are beautiful. I like it. See, you can color this. I would color that, because why not? Beauty and all the things. Sorry, my husband's working, and the door's open, so but it'll just be a second. Ditch your comfort zone. Oh, that's beautiful. That is just beautiful. Ooh, love that. So 1, 2, 3. Have fun. Okay, then let's open up the, what size are these? Remember what size these are? I can never remember what size they are. Ooh, let's see. They look to be 8x6. 8x6. Which makes sense. Wait. Yeah, it kind of makes sense because you get 4. You get 1 because they're not double-sided. I just did a Project Life layout using their kits last week, so that was fun. See, they already have this one because I just saw this, so I wonder what they do, if they change the colors or not. Because I just, oh yeah, see, I have it right here because I had it last week. So they have their, so they're different colors and they're smaller, so got it. So, okay. Oh, I love that color. Isn't that beautiful? It's like a teal. Ooh, pretty. So this kit is, I remember to write all the prices down. This is $29.90. You get a bookmark. Pretty. And then you get 4x6 cards, 2 of them. These are double-sided. I like these. I like when they do this. That's just neat. Happiness. And then you get the labels. I use these a lot. So these are awesome. They're cut aparts, but I like fussy cutting. Alright guys, so that's it. We'll see you all next month. Bye.